As an EMT, combat lifesaver, rescue diver, and survival instructor, I carry a wide variety of medical supplies with me wherever I go. When I do use a pre-made kit, I make sure that I carry a kit from Adventure Medical Kits. Adventure Medical Kits uses only the highest hospital quality products in all of their kits. New this year is the redesigned Sportsman Series from Adventure Medical Kits. Stocked with hospital quality products, these kits from Adventure Medical Kits come in a variety of sizes and will provide necessary care for groups as large as 14 people for up to 2 weeks. The kits are available in 4 different configurations. The Steelhead Kit offers first aid supplies and medications for between 1 to 4 people for up to 4 days. It's packaged in a dry flex bag to ensure that all the products stay dry while boating, fishing, or hiking in wet environments. The Steelhead Kit includes a variety of pain relievers, anti-inflammatory medications, anti-allergy medicine, triple antibiotics, and afterbite. The kit also includes a variety of bandages, sponges, and pads, moleskin, waterproof medical tape, some safety pins, and a pair of nitrile gloves. Top it off with a pair of splinter picker / tick removal forceps and a wound irrigation syringe. The entire Steelhead Kit weighs only 5.3 ounces, and it doesn't take up very much room, so it'll easily fit into your day hiking pack, your fishing vest, your tackle box, or even the glove compartment of your car. The Whitetail is for those who engage in slightly riskier behavior. For rock climbers, ATV riders, and those who spend more time in the outdoors but still are concerned about space and size, this is the kit. Our publisher Michael Deming is taking this kit in his pack to the wilds of Alaska for a week. It's ideal for 1 to 4 people spending multiple days in the wilderness. The Whitetail Kit contains all of the items found in the Steelhead Kit, with the addition of some important items. The first is Dr. Eric Weiss's book, Wilderness and Travel Medicine. We're going to talk about this book in a lot more detail in just a little while. It also contains some EMT shears, some Coban adhesive wrap, a cravat or a triangular bandage, and some petrolatum gauze. Each of the 3 larger kits contains easy care first aid guides for a variety of injuries or ailments. These short, easy-to-read guides provide guidance on how to best use the products in the kit. The Bighorn is for groups of up to 7 people who will spend multiple days or even weeks in the backcountry. It includes the same supplies as the other kits with the addition of a field trauma pack. The field trauma pack that's found inside of the Bighorn and the Grizzly is completely removable and can be carried on the individual, while the rest of the larger kits are left back at camp. It contains items specifically geared for serious injuries that can occur in the outdoors. The trauma kit contains a CPR face shield, a 25-gram quick clot sponge to stop serious bleeding, a pair of EMT shears, and a variety of bandages for larger wounds, as well as gloves, a patient assessment form, and medications. No matter how careful you are, accidents can happen, and the field trauma pack can provide the tools you need to stabilize a patient until help arrives, or you can get them to a hospital. These tools can turn what might have been a fatal injury into a life saved. Like the large bear of the same name, the Grizzly is the ultimate kit in the Sportsman Series. It is designed for larger groups of up to 14 people and is ideal for those with large families, for emergency preparedness, scout troops, or guides and outfitters. It contains all of the same products as the smaller kits in the series, but has more of them. It also includes the removable waterproof field trauma pack with the addition of a foam C-splint and a SWAT-T tourniquet. SWAT-T stands for Stretch, Wrap, and Tuck Tourniquet. For injuries that involve blood vessels, the SWAT-T is applied high on the injured limb between the injury and the heart to cut off the blood flow to the injured blood vessel.
You simply stretch the band around the limb as you unroll it. The small rectangles will become squares when it is tight enough. Wrap the band around the extremity and then tuck it. Make a note of the time you applied the tourniquet in the patient assessment form. Anything longer than 2 hours may result in loss of the extremity, but do not remove it as serious bleeding may resume.
Each of the kits is divided into compartments that make it easy to find the items you're looking for. With easy-to-read lettering, the compartments are marked by type of injury to quickly and easily help you find what you need during a stressful situation. I want to make sure I talk to you a little bit more about this book that's included inside of the Whitetail, the Bighorn, and the Grizzly. It's written by Dr. Eric Weiss. It's called Wilderness and Travel Medicine. Dr. Weiss has more than 25 years experience treating people in the outdoors. As a physician and trauma doctor, the expertise that he brings in this book is priceless. It's divided into type of illness or injury and has a table of contents to easily find the section that you need, so that it is a great reference book for treating injuries on the spot. It is well enough written and short enough that you may want to sit down and read it cover to cover and later refer to it as needed in the field. The book contains illustrations, useful information, and two kinds of sidebars. The first, Weiss Advice, which provides tips and tricks on how to treat a variety of conditions. I especially like his recipe for an oral rehydration solution using common household items you'll find in your kitchen cabinet that's far better than those sugary sports drinks. The other sidebar is When to Worry. It provides signs and symptoms to look for to let you know when an illness or injury may be life-threatening and the patient needs immediate evacuation to a hospital. Whenever you go into the great outdoors, make sure that you've got the right tools to keep you, your friends, and family safe. Adventure Medical Kit Sportsman Series, they're packaged in a rugged, waterproof container. They contain hospital quality products. They've got information that's valuable when you're in the field. Don't be fooled by kits that tell you how many pieces they've got. Make sure that you've got a kit that has the appropriate materials and medical supplies to keep you and your family safe. Whenever the Sportsman's News team goes into the field, these are the kits that we carry and that we endorse. Make sure you check them out at your local Sportsman's Warehouse store. If you'd like a chance to see how great these kits are for yourself, make sure you log on to www.sportsmansnews.com. Look under articles, product reviews, video product reviews, and find this video product review for these Adventure Medical Kits. Comment on that post and you'll have a chance to win one of these kits for yourself.